Hello YouTube, today I am back with the Taurus. Last night, over here, I found that this thing is leaking oil. And it's actually leaking quite a lot. So this car, with the rust it has, and that it overall just doesn't look too good, and with shocks and brakes, I decided to part this car out. Because this over here, this is a 2002 Ford Taurus, and it's hitting the front over here, and it only has 88,000 miles. And if you look on the interior, it's got leather seats and it's in really clean condition. And take a look at this. Look at that paint and the wheels. Everything looks good on this car. This car is in really good condition. And over here, we got absolutely no rust over here. And these wheels are still in pretty good condition. Brand new tires again. These are Goodyear tires. Okay, so here is the damaged area. The frame looks like it's got a few little dings, like over here, and then over here it's twisted in a little bit, but it's very, very minor. I'm just gonna pull that back, actually. It's really great that I got matching parts for everything from that car over there. So I can't believe what a coincidence it is that I bought a parts car and it turned out to be a piece of junk, and then I ended up buying this the next week. And this turns out to be great, and I got all the parts I need for this. What a lucky find. So after this is fixed and sold, I will be able to make a decent profit, but I still have the other car, and it has good parts on it, so I can still part that thing out and make money off of those parts, including the wheels and tires, which are in great condition. So finally, I got a good purchase out of the auction, and that is actually from the other car, which I originally wanted to just change out the door, but it turned out to be a total rusty piece of junk, and I would have to do a lot more work onto it, and it wouldn't make that much money because it's not very good condition. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like and a comment, and also check out my Instagram at Cookie Repair Projects. Thank you guys, and I will see you again.